Welcome to Unit 9.1, Hidden Treasure, a Coordinate Game. Today we're going to be looking at coordinate graphing. First, let's start with some basic information about coordinate grids. A plane is a flat surface that extends forever. A rectangular coordinate grid is used to name the points in a plane. This is a picture of a coordinate grid. A coordinate grid is formed by two number lines called axes. These are the axes. The number lines intersect at right angles at their 0 points. The points where the lines meet, 0, 0, is called the origin. Every point on a coordinate grid can be named by an ordered pair of numbers. Here is an example of an ordered pair. The first number in the pair is always the horizontal distance of the point from the vertical axis. The second number in the pair is always the vertical distance of the point from the horizontal axis. Here is how you graph this ordered pair. First, I need to look and go over from the vertical axis 9 numbers. Then I'm going to take my finger and run it up the graph until I hit the number 8. At this point in time, I can put my point right here. This is the ordered pair 9, 8. The numbers in an ordered pair are the coordinates of the corresponding point. To plot the coordinates of a point, first move left or right along the horizontal axis, and then move up or down along the vertical axis. One or both coordinates may be a whole number, fraction, decimal, or mixed number. When one of the coordinates is 0, then the point lies directly on an axis. Here is an example of one of the coordinates being 0. Because my first number is 0, I first start and I will go 0 left or right. Then I'm going to go straight up to 12. My point will be on 0, 12. At this point, you may be asking this question: how can I remember which way to move first on a coordinate graph? There are many different ways to do this, and you may come up with your own. Here are 4 suggestions for how to remember which way to move first on a coordinate graph. Number 1. Alphabetically, the word horizontal comes before vertical. Always remember that horizontal means left to right, while vertical means up and down. Number 2. Think about painting the side of a house. You must move the ladder to where you want to paint before climbing up. Number 3. Think about an elevator building. You go across the ground floor first and find the elevator to take you up to where you want to go. Number 4. Think of this saying: you must crawl before you can walk. Crawling is horizontal. Walking is vertical. On the back of your homework paper, complete this problem. Graph the following points on the coordinate grid provided for you. Connect the points to make a 5-sided shape. Don't forget, write down all questions that you still have about coordinate graphing on the front of your homework paper. If you have more questions than there is space, you may attach an extra piece of paper to the back.